Hi, my name is Alano. You guys may remember me from the last video that I did with my other car. This is my new baby. It's a 84 323 convertible. And if you guys haven't seen the video on my previous E30, you can click the link up above.
My name is Shailen Jordan. This is my 1988 323. I tried to keep the car as stock standard as possible, done minimal stuff to it, just basically enhance what is on the car. So basically this is my first time doing a video shoot since I have the car for 5 years with this car. I'm quite excited to find out how this video all comes out and the shoots and the pictures and everything. Just want to say thank you to the photographers for everything. I hope it's great, and like and subscribe, guys.
Wow.